Hello and welcome back to Innovate IT Lab. In this video, I'll show you how to convert any audio file into Asterisk-compatible WAV format using Audacity. This is especially useful when uploading multiple audio prompts in VICIdial. I have a few MP3 audio files in this directory that I want to convert. So now, let's open Audacity to begin the process. If you don't have Audacity installed yet, you can download it from audacityteam.org. Once Audacity is open, click on File, then choose Import, and select Audio. Navigate to the folder where your MP3 files are saved. Select all the audio files you want to convert and click Open to import them into Audacity. After the files are loaded, press Ctrl+A to select all the tracks. Next, go to File and click on Export Audio. A new window will pop up asking where you want to save the files. You can either save them to the cloud through Audacity, or directly to your computer. In this case, I'll save the files to my computer. Now, enter a name for the output file and select the directory where you want to save it. Make sure the format is set to .wav. Asterisk primarily supports 16-bit, mono, 8 kHz or 16 kHz PCM, pulse code modulation, audio files in the .wav format, as well as GSM audio formats. However, Asterisk can also handle other audio formats, including those without a RIF, .wav, wrapper, if they are pre-converted using tools like SOX. Click on Export. Audacity will begin processing the files, and you'll see the log showing the export status. Now, all your audio files are successfully converted to the Asterisk-compatible WAV format. You can upload these files directly to your Asterisk or VICIdial server for use as voice prompts, IVRs, or voicemail greetings. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below.